Hey, this is Adam Hoeksema. I'm the co-founder of ProjectionHub, and today I want to walk you through our new product offering, ProjectionHub Plus. I want to just answer some questions about it, who it's for, what's included, and why you should consider becoming a ProjectionHub Plus subscriber. So a little bit about ProjectionHub. Over the last decade, we've helped 50,000 entrepreneurs create financial projections for potential investors and lenders in all sorts of different industries. We have over 70 different industry-specific financial projection templates and tools. And we have primarily focused on serving the individual founder and entrepreneur. So individual coffee shop owner needs to create a set of projections for an SBA loan. They find us, they find our coffee shop template, they make that purchase, we help them through the process of getting those projections completed, and they're off to the races. And that's our bread and butter, that's what we've been doing for years. But more and more we have been seeing that consultants and accountants and business advisors and small business lenders have been actually purchasing our individual projection templates for their clients, on behalf of their clients. And so we decided to come up with a ProjectionHub Plus, which would put all of our tools and resources together in one spot and make that available for an annual subscription of just $1,000. And so ProjectionHub Plus is built specifically for those advisors, consultants, and individuals that are working with the entrepreneur. And so we wanted to put this all together in one spot. So I'm going to show you just how this works. So we're on the ProjectionHub Plus page. If you want to take a look at some of the examples of different templates that we have, so we have, like I said, 70 different industry-specific templates. So that could be from an Airbnb business to a brewery, to a car wash, a dental office, a medical office, to more tech-based businesses. So software as a service businesses, e-commerce, even nonprofits. So really the whole gambit here in terms of industries. We also have some industry agnostic templates. So an existing business template, a template that is built specifically for acquisitions and roll-up acquisitions or multi-unit businesses, good for franchises as well. Really good for consultants that are working on lots of different types of businesses. So that's some examples. And what you'll get access to is, if you subscribe here, you're going to get access to a Google folder that has access to all of our templates and tools. And what you'll be able to do, so let's just say we're going to look at this multi-unit business template. There's a folder in there. You're going to right-click, click download, and that will download an unlocked version of the Excel file. I'm going to show you a couple examples. This is our coffee shop template. So you can see kind of industry-specific template here, where you've got some industry-specific summary data, number of customer visits, cost of coffee and food, get profit and loss at a glance. All of our templates have a 5-year income statement summary, cash flow summary, balance sheet summary, and then the income statement, cash flow, and balance sheet all broken down by month as well. So that's an example of an industry-specific template. We also have an existing business template that we're really proud of. So this allows an existing business, if we come to the input revenue tab here, to enter in your historical data. So you can enter in historical financials for up to 5 years and use that to create a base to create your projections off of. And so this is really powerful as well for existing businesses, and it's kind of industry agnostic. And then the last one I thought I'd just show you is our acquisitions template. So we have a template built specifically for acquisitions that allows you to put in some key information, especially if you're trying to get an SBA loan. You need to put in information about, maybe you have a seller's note, and the seller's note needs to be on standby, and how much of the equity are you going to be putting into the deal, and that sort of thing. You also need to be able to calculate goodwill for the acquisition. So again, this can be really useful for a consultant or accountant that is trying to help their clients, but doesn't want to build out all of these graphs and charts and financial statements from scratch. We follow a standard approach. All of our templates follow the same approach. So if you get used to using the ProjectionHub template, you're going to be able to follow along that same pattern in all of our templates. So that gives you a rough idea. The other thing that I just wanted to point out with ProjectionHub Plus is that we provide customer service like this, with a video just like this. So if you have questions for your clients, we are going to send you individualized video support and feedback through Loom, just like this video, and answer your question, show you exactly how to fill out the template or fix any problems that you may run into. And you'll also get, as part of being a ProjectionHub Plus member, special discounts if you end up needing help. You just want to hire us to customize a model for you or for your client. We offer a 10% discount to any ProjectionHub Plus member on all custom modeling work. So lots of benefits, and we are excited to make this available finally to our consultant and business advisor friends that have been working with us for a long time and a growing part of the Projection Hub family here. So if you have any questions about ProjectionHub Plus, please leave a comment down in the video comment section of the video below, or reach out to us at support@projectionhub.com. We'd be happy to help you. Thanks.